Now I enter next to the TD close tag in row 39 and come to the 40th row. I open a TD tag to enter the data. Now the close tag of this tag is taken to the 42nd row. Now row span equals double quotation, give as 2 inside it next to the word TD in the TD open tag. This means that this cell is made up of 2 lines joined together. Now I open a tag called aside. With this tag, we can give short information and show something. Now I take the close tag of this tag to the 43rd line. Now the tag needed to insert a picture is given in the 42nd line. IMG SRC equals open double quotation. Click on the asset in this panel on the left side and select the picture pic2.png. Give copy URL from the interface and copy the URL of the image. Now come back to the index.html section and paste the copied URL in this quotation here. Alt equals double quotation, type the image of craft maker inside it and close this tag by applying the / and the angle bracket right here. Since we have previously used tiles for the images called alt image of the craft maker, I will not use any other formatting here. I click preview here and then click preview in a new window. Now you can see our output. Now let's go back to our source code. Now enter next to the tr close tag in the 45th line and go to the 46th line. Come to the 46th line and open a tr tag. Now enter twice next to the tr close tag and take the close tag to the 48th line. Now I open a td tag to enter data from the 47th line. Now the close tag of this tag is taken to the 49th line. From the 48th line I open an article tag. I now enter and go to the 49th line. Now open a form tag that needs to enter several text boxes in this line. Now type as action next to the word form. Now let's enter some text boxes. An input tag is opened in the 50th line. As soon as you open the input tag, you can see that there is a text box that needs to be filled in the preview pane. Now type equals double quotation, text name equals double quotation, name placeholder equals double quotation. Your name is typed next to the word input. This part means the type of data we want to enter. Name is the name of the text box and the placeholder indicates the data to be entered. I gave the type as text because the name is a text. Let's see the output from the preview pane on the right side. Here, since we used placeholder without using label tag here, the word your name : is displayed inside the text box itself. Now I close this input tag by typing the / and the angle bracket next to the quotation which is near the name. A break tag is applied next to this tag because we need to keep a gap with the next text box. Let's make some boxes to enter more data like this. Now I enter next to the break tag and come to the 51st line. In this line, I open an input tag. I use this text box to input the phone number. Now type equals double quotation number, name equals double quotation number, placeholder double quotation phone number is typed next to the word input. Since phone number is a number, here I gave number as the data type. A break tag is applied next to this tag. Since the other text box is also added like this, I select this input in the 51st line, press the Ctrl key and the C key to copy it, and then press the Ctrl key and the V key and paste it in the 52nd line. Now let's change the code in the 52nd line as we want. I want this text box to enter the email. Therefore, I change this type to email. Now for the name, I give as email. For the placeholder, it is typed as your email : OK, now I have finished entering the text boxes as I want. Now, after entering next to this break tag, I enter a radio button in the 53rd line. This button is also added in the same way as we added the checkbox. Okay, let's see. From this line, I open an input tag. Type equals double quotation radio, name equals double quotation, input dash grade is typed next to the word called input. This section means that the type of data we want to enter is a radio button. And what is the data to be entered? Now close the input tag by using a / next to this quotation. Now open a label tag right here and the word to be displayed is given between these two tags. The name displayed on this radio button is grade 3. Now since I want to enter two radio buttons like this, I copy the tag in the 53rd line and paste it in the 54th line. Now let's change this tag as we want. Let's change the grade 3 inside the label tag to grade 4. Now in the 55th line, I paste the same tag and change the grade to grade 5. Now we have finished entering all three radio buttons.